Bullish Ethereum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5,439.98 and $11,847.06 by 2030. Market experts accept ETH could reach $5,439.98 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2022 is $967.11. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports savvy contracts. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main cryptographic money after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony D'Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute super durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer many monetary administrations without the requirement for regular monetary middle people like banks, businesses, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few establishments. They are in like manner conceivable to create and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for introductory coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to fabricate any solid computerized innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for use on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Thus, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ethereum Specialized Examination. As per specialized investigation performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the decision, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest obstruction. One more uplifting sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with sound exchanging movement, upholds this. Accordingly, assuming that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the primary obstruction, the following significant region to watch out for is presumably to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or invalidate longer-term expectations. Ethereum Major Examination. It's memorables fundamental that most digital currencies are projects as opposed to associations, rather than the financial exchange. Subsequently, by finishing a reasonable principle examination and taking into account all the data that is right now open about the undertaking, you might decide if a digital money is beneficial or not. The objective of central investigation is to discover a resource's natural worth. For example, you might assess whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of interior and outside factors. Ether is important as a result of a few elements. In any case, its handiness is vital for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money convention classifications of advances, decentralized trades, subsidiaries, resources, and installments require Ether charges. Besides, the environment of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and different, as found in the pictures underneath. Second, Ether is the hold resource for decentralized finance on the grounds that it is used as guarantee in the decentralized money convention. For example, getting or loaning Ether to expand a yield as a result of marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking, and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Third, since clients might utilize this computerized cash to pay for items and administrations on the Ethereum blockchain, the second era of blockchains, Ether, can be viewed as another kind of cash. For example, non-fungible tokens NFT, for example, crypto collectibles are bought utilizing Ether. Ethereum current cost. Ethereum is as of now worth $1,208.88 USD. ETH has moved 0.53% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,206,068,921. Ethereum is as of now position 2 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $147,517,688,992 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ethereum Value Forecast 2022. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1,813.33. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1,692.44 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $1,450.66. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $3,022.21. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ETH's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2,417.77 and a typical exchanging cost of $2,659.54. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4,231.09 and ETH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3,868.43 and a low of $3,626.65 in 2024. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Ethereum effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2025. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $5,439.98, with a base cost of $4,835.54 and a typical cost of $5,077.31. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6,286.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $6,044.42 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ETH has a greatest value worth of $6,648.86. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7,495.08. On the off chance that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $7,800.